Hello, Moneymakers. Did you know there is one niche on YouTube that will always get the highest amount of watch time, and that is documentary videos? People who choose to watch these videos usually watch till the end, which leads to higher average view duration, and YouTube algorithm loves it. Let me share some examples here. Take a look at this channel. They have only uploaded 8 videos, and currently they have over 100,000 subscribers. Just imagine the success they would get when the video count will reach 50 videos. These channels also have very high RPM as well, since the longer videos will play more ads, and thus your revenue per view will increase too. Moreover, in this niche, you can get good brand deals too, as popular brands love to collaborate with the documentary niche due to the longer view duration of their videos. Let me share another example channel. This channel has over 2 million subscribers and have uploaded over 250 videos. They are creating video up to 15 minutes. This channel is also doing great and should be making more, at least $30,000 every month. So in this video, I will show you how to find topics, write scripts, and edit such video in details. I am not taking anything for you, and all I need is your attention to watch this video till the end. Take a glass of fresh coconut water for some refreshment, and watch this video till the end. Let's begin with topic research and script writing. I know everyone must be thinking about how we can find the topic in this niche. We will use AI to do all the work. I'm going to walk you through the complete process step by step, so stay tuned till the end. First, let's open ChatGPT and start a conversation with it. Hey ChatGPT, if I provide you 2 YouTube channels link, can you able to analyze both the channels? So yes, ChatGPT can have access to analyze YouTube channels using their link. Alright, now paste the links of the channel that creates documentary videos. I will provide both links of history documentary channels which I showed you in the intro. So as we can see, ChatGPT analyzes both the channel and provides all the information to us. What type of video they created, and what are the topics they will use. Now all you have to do is ask ChatGPT, I want to create a YouTube channel like the ones which I shared before, so could you please provide me with 20 YouTube video topics based on this niche? Within a few seconds, ChatGPT provides 20 topics which you can use to create a video. However, I will also ask ChatGPT to generate 10 topics like this one, the entire history of North Korea. So this way you can find topic for your video. Moreover, follow other channels and find trending topics from their popular videos as well. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Script writing. So just to show you the process, let's create a video on this topic. The complete history of ancient Greece. Now enter this prompt to generate a script. Generate a YouTube video script in the form of an article on, enter your topic. The length of the script should be 10 minutes. You can write length as per your topic. Make the script engaging so that viewers will want to watch it. Also use simple language that can be easily understood by anyone. And as a result, ChatGPT provides a perfect script for our video. But do not use script as it is. Add your own words, add your own intro, watch other channels' videos, how they start the script, so you will get the idea of how to write the script. Moreover, if you search in Google about your topic, you will get so many articles related to this one, so you can also take some information from there also. This way, you can make your script unique and it doesn't look at AI generated. And remember, script is the very important part in this niche. So always provide the right information into your script. Because if you provide wrong information, your audience will dislike the video and the post negative comments as well, which will hurt your channel reach.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Now we have our script. Let's head over to the next step. Step 2. Generating voiceovers. If you have a good voice or want to use your own voice, that will be the perfect choice. Otherwise, you can take help from AI. There are so many voice generator tools available, but choose one which generates natural-looking voiceover. I will suggest 11 Labs for this, because it's a perfect tool to generate any kind of voice. So let's navigate to the 11 Labs. You can get free 10,000 characters to use, but you cannot monetize your channel with the free one. So to get a license, you have to purchase their subscription plan. You can check the link in the description. Now the Open Voice library chooses narrative and story. Then choose gender, age, language and accent to get the best options. Try different voices and choose one which is best. Make sure to choose one voice in every video because this will help you to create your identity for your channel. And people will easily recognize your channel with your voice. Now paste the script and click on Generate.
A civilization that shaped the foundations of Western culture. From the heroic Mycenaeans to the legendary conquests of Alexander the Great.
Perfect. Let's download this. Alright, so the next part of our process is generating visuals. And for this, you can use any image generator tool which you are familiar with. But before that, we need a prompt for image generation. And I know you all are not expert in writing prompts. So let's take help of AI. Open ChatGPT and ask to act like an image prompt producer. I will provide you one paragraph at a time, and you will be providing me the visuals prompts for it. To be precise, give me 3 prompts for each scene. So if you provide only one paragraph at one time, ChatGPT gives a perfect prompt for each scene. Alright, now, let's enter our first paragraph. As a result, ChatGPT provides a perfect prompt to generate an image. Now open the image generator tool. As of now, I will use Microsoft Bing for generating images. First sign in your account, and you will get some free tokens to use. Then click on Create and enter your prompt. You will have 4 images to choose from. Choose one which is best and download it on your computer. Now let's enter the second prompt. Amazing, right? Continue this process until you get all the images. Now let's move to the last step, editing. And for this first I will use Canva and then CapCut. The reason we will use Canva before, because we will get so many stock footage, images, elements, and many more. Alright, so open the Canva and choose the video icon from the dashboard. After that, upload all the images and audio into Canva. Now first drag the voiceover into the timeline. Then one by one add images into the timeline. Make sure it will sync with your audio. If your image quality is degraded while setting this image in 16:9 format. All you have to do is click Edit Video. Choose an image upscale and upscale your image, so it will look professional. Now split the page and add another image, and follow the same process. Moreover, you can also add some related footages to make it engaging. You will find the footages in Elements. Choose one which suits your topic and add it into the timeline. Other than this, you can also make your video more attractive by using these filters for your video. So play with them, and apply it on your video. Also add text when the new paragraphs start, or when the new place will come. So people will recognize it and connect with your video. Then choose color, effect, and animation to look cool. Now at last, add background music to your video. You can find music track from Canva itself. But if you want to use Canva music, you will need to connect your YouTube channel with Canva, so you will not get any copyright claim. Otherwise, you can take music from the YouTube audio library as well, which is completely free and safe to use. To find perfect music, let's ask ChatGPT, can you please provide me with names of the background music which suits my video and which is available on YouTube audio library. ChatGPT suggests many music names. Let's find this one in the audio library. Click on search and enter the name in the track title option. And there we go, here is the music. Now download the music and upload it in Canva. Then set the volume, and click on Share and download it.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Now to give a final touch, let's open a CapCut. Import the video which you download from the Canva. Then click Text, choose Auto Caption and generate the subtitle. Then choose fonts and colors for your subtitle. Make it look clean and readable so that everyone can understand it. Now click on video, click right, and choose split scene from the available option, so it will automatically splits all the pages and you don't have to do this manually. Then go to the animation, click on combo, and add animation to each and every image. So your video will not look boring. After that, select all the pages, then click on adjustment, which is on the right side. Scroll down and increase the vignette. This will make the black edges around the video, and which looks great. Then from the effect option, you can also add this spark effect in the entire video if you want. You can also add these light effects in your video as well. That's it, guys. This way you can create a complete documentary with any topic. So start your journey today.
Since you have watched our video till the end, and if you want to support us, you can click on Join button to become our member and avail exclusive member benefits.
Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Welcome to our journey through the vibrant history of ancient Greece, a civilization that shaped the foundations of Western culture. From the heroic Mycenaeans to the legendary conquests of Alexander the Great, let's explore how this ancient world evolved and influenced the course of history. Our story begins with the Mycenaeans, a warrior society known for their fortified cities and epic poetry like the Iliad and the Odyssey. They traded across the Mediterranean, building palaces adorned with intricate frescoes and mastering bronze metallurgy. Mycenaean culture laid the groundwork for what would become classical Greece. As the Dark Ages gave way to the Archaic period, Greek city-states emerged as centers of culture and innovation. Athens, Sparta, and Corinth flourished, each with unique governments and cultural practices. This era saw the birth of democracy in Athens and the formation of the Olympic Games,